So today we are going to do the Lab 2 in Azure 900 series. In this lab, we are going to create a virtual machine inside Azure. So let's start. For the first step, we need to log in into the Azure portal. So I'll just type that. Sign in ID is given here. Password is this. And we are inside Microsoft Azure. And second step is in the toolbar at top of the Azure portal, select Cloud Shell. So here is the Cloud Shell. In the Welcome to Azure Cloud Shell dialog, select Bash. On the You have no storage mounted screen, select Show Advanced. We have to select no storage mount, that is selected. And subscription, we are going to use this. We're going to go apply. This is done. Actually, I think we have to create a storage, right? So I'm going to reset those settings. We are going to create a user account. So here is the option of I want to create a storage account. So we are going to create an account with these credentials. Resource group, a resource group that is not a network watch RG. Watcher RG. That is fine. Then cloud storage. Account name is Cloud Shell. This one, file share name is Shell Storage. And region, we'll give it as Canada. And we'll create this. As you can see, deployment is in progress. We have done up to step 6. And once it is created, we are going to create virtual machine and install Nginx, which is a web server basically. So now we are connecting to the terminal and we have to wait a little bit here. After that, we are going to run all these commands which are given. So let's wait a few seconds more. So now we are connected to the shell, right? We are connected to the terminal and let's run this command here. I'll make it bigger. Yeah. Now this command is going to create a VM, basically a Linux VM, because it says AZ-VM create resource group. This name is given, image is Ubuntu 2204. So this is the VM we are creating with this version, and then admin username is Azure user, and then the generate SSH key password. Now it says that VM is running and the private address is 10.04 and public address is this. So now we have successfully created an VM. Next is we are going to install Nginx web server. For this we have this command. We're going to run this command and oh, it's a long command. So I have initiated the second command to create this web server. I don't know what it is called. It is Nginx maybe or Nginx specifically. So now it is being generated. Let me take this a little above so you can see it is running. So after this, the web server will be installed, and basically we have created an Linux machine, Linux virtual machine. Inside this Linux virtual machine, we have created a web server. And then this lab is completed. So yes, I think we have installed it. Yeah. So its provision state says succeeded. Publisher is Microsoft Azure extension. So it basically here says that this command used the custom script extension to run a bash script on your VM. The script is stored on GitHub. While the command runs, you can choose examine the bash script for a separate browser. So this is the script basically which it has used to install, and this is the script which is on GitHub, stored on GitHub. And yes, this lab is completed, and thank you very much. See you in next video.